Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see east facing plan. The plot size is about 54 feet by 64 feet and we have our total plot area of about 3,456 square feet. Build up area is about 1,463 square feet and we have our sit out of about 17 feet 6 inches by 9 feet 6 inches. It's a 2 BHK plan with both the bedroom attached, provided with attached toilet. And we have a main door over here. The living room is about 16 feet 9 inches by 20 feet. And we have allocated sofa space over here and the TV showcase over here. Through the living room passage, we have our kids' bedroom here with a size of 10 feet by 11 feet with an attached toilet of size 10 feet by 5 feet 6 inches. And the commode is pointing towards north direction. In this plan, we have provided both the toilet with the commode pointing towards either north or south. It's all based on Vastu. And the passage is about 6 feet by 6 feet 3 inches. Opposite the kids' bedroom, we have our master bedroom of size 11 feet by 617 feet with an attached toilet. As I mentioned earlier, the commode is pointing towards south direction. And here we have our puja room of size 5 feet 6 inches by 5 feet with a door over here. And along the living room, we have our dining room space over here with a size of 11 feet 9 inches by 6 feet 6 inches. Behind the dining room space, we have storeroom of size 5 feet by 5 feet with a door. And through the dining area, we will go to the kitchen. The kitchen room is provided a size of 11 feet by 10 feet. We have allocated fridge space over here, and the stove is pointing located in the east direction. And the water sink is placed in the northeast of the room. As per the Vastu, it should be here. And outside, we have our outer staircase for the terrace. It's here. And the portico or car parking is provided with a size of 32 feet by 53 feet. We can easily accommodate two car over here. Thank you for watching this video. Uh, you can get more plans in our website houseplansdaily.com and houseplans.world. Our apps are also available on the Google Play Store. It's House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Planlist, and Designist apps. You can learn Vastu through online class. For more details, please contact 99520 Our team will provide a detail about our class. Please do share, like, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.